young after being young.
Musing means daydreaming, so I decided to offer a waterbed which makes the user very comfortable, and that accompanies this program which supports computer-aided brainstorming, as you may call it. And also with the waterbed, of course, it is implied to have artificial body warmth and two clocks which display time in irregular intervals, and this is similar like when we know it's 5 to 9 and then it's 10 after 9. So all this together sets up this installation. This is Muser service, the program for daydreaming, and it allows users to enter associations, linguistic materials, but also references to websites through the internet, and then stores it in a database and allows to create chains of associations. And you can select a start and a goal and some methods which will determine the artificial chain. So what we do next is just select a start object. In this list you see all the so-called objects which already have been gathered, and maybe I just choose adventure.
Adventure can be inspired by a rationality leading to problems is always new as progress is optimized, as machine is optimized, as state is necessary, as effort sometimes leads to art.
Aim for this program was to use such an efficient tool as computers are considered to manage fantasy and let them create especially unusual and sort of transhuman thoughts.
As a land for courage.